Hello, everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. I'm back again with another topic. And I know say that good or bad, I must laugh. So I don't come again, no. So please, guys, if you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, if you know you dey new to my channel, no fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn that bell on. Anytime when I post video, you go be the first person when they go say e don drop again. So guys, if you know you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you and God bless you for being the part of my family. Thank you very much. So today and if you are still there, you are still watching, thank you and God bless you. So today I want to talk about something. The thing, in fact, I will use broken, I will use English so that a lot of people will understand what I'm trying to say. So because I come across video that is trending, not that it's trendy for seriously, like it's trendy in the internet, trending in the Facebook. No, nothing like that. I just saw I come across the video. I was like, this video, e dey one kind. I just sit down and I reason myself. I say, which kind thing be this one? I raise it on. So I don't want to beat around the bush. I want to talk about a video that a little girl did just a week ago, and say the Lord visit him on a dream and told her that he should go and tell the world that he is coming. But I wonder, I say to myself, if na all those all those miliki, na the show like that, the whole media go carry am. If na one erima na dey carry, maybe na one erima, one miliki just open e apple down, the whole internet go share am. The whole internet go carry am. The whole social media go carry am. But nothing like that. Nothing like that. Few people when they even dey share am sef, if you look, the few people when they dey share am, they are not more than just normal Christian group, just Christian association. I just dey share am. People when even still know for his side. But you will see people, they will come out that I am a Christian. I am a Christian. No, fine, everybody is a Christian. Maybe God don't use the most man of God in this world. Take una not take. Maybe God don't use the most serious pastor. Take una not take. He can still use omomo, una not take. He can still use teenager. What are we saying? What are we saying? I know a lot of people will say, I beg you, now dreamy, now dream. Maybe not be dream matter a lot. I want to ask you guys this question. If na something, maybe one or nene just carry a apple, maybe they dance, the apple just show for the camera, then they just upload them. Everybody go want me the carry am. Everybody go want me the carry am. But this one, the video, no, I dey feel say maybe if I just enter my Facebook this thing, I go just see and just they come, they enter my phone, I just see how many people just they share am. Nothing like that. Are you going to tell me that Jesus is no longer coming again? You want to tell me say God no go come again? He talk and say, I will come like a thief. I'm not here to preach for you guys. I am not here to preach for anybody. I am not a pastor, and if God did not call me, I won't call God. Okay? I am not a pastor. Okay? So I just want to remind you guys that if na onene na open since, my God, my maker, una for that they could all they carry am. Everybody go want me they get am. But why this one? Why this one? Why this one? It get cry out that this is what I see. A few people are sharing it. Just few people. Maybe God don't use the most wonderful pastor Tetona. Maybe God don't use the most serious pastor Tetona. Maybe God don't still use person. Sit and tell you. Nobody want it, but he can still use teenager. They send his word, say in the con. Nobody, no. If you ever go the Facebook, nobody. We go even say if they rule the sharer. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Where is today head note? You did not see it? You want to say you did not see it? Eh? Where is you? You did not see it to put it on your page. Tag people that need to see it. Where is Daddy Freeze? It's only people you grant interview and put there on the hair and tell them that this is it. No. Yes, because why they talking? I wish a lot of people I dey wait because don't think when I see the video, don't see they go about 4 days. I can say if I just go my people, I can say if I just go my Facebook now because since then I know they go Facebook, I know they every day unless I will share my link, go that side. I go just enter, share my link, go. I go just enter another one. And once I say make I enter for 2 days ago, I enter today. I was like, what is going on? It go come. If it come like normal person, if it still come like all those I don't want pull mouth, you know, see not be everything that they pull mouth. If it come like normal person, if it come like the normal one where you know see the you understand? If it come in any way, but nobody they carry and say, this they get cry out that this is what I saw. It even send message to men. To men. That's why I call and reach you. That's why I call and reach to men. Say this is what God said, but nobody is taking it. Nobody, they want to carry on. After all, not be today, people they go see and they go still come back, they go say see what they see. Oh my God. But if not none on any open here put down, everybody want carry on. If not none open that place down, everybody want blog on. If now nene shake your body down, everybody won't carry on. Why una not carry this one? Why una not carry this one? Today head note, where are you? Now you be the first man when they post, eh? Now you be the first man when they quit the post. Why you not post this one? Why you not share this one? Why you not tag people follow on? We will say we be Christian, we are Christian, we are Christian. We are fine. Even me, I need to still work on myself. I need to still work on myself. I am not here to preach, and I am not here to say this is it. No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I finish. I don't know then all. Okay, I just know what I know, not all. The few I know, I will work on it. So let's work on it. When we see something like this, not just say because say he's a Christian, say God is a God of mercy. No, let's take it upon ourselves and gratitude. If people are sharing this thing, really sharing it. I went to Instagram this evening. It could have full Instagram. I went to Facebook. It could have full Facebook. I did not see it. Maybe some people may do it, but I didn't see it. I come across it on my WhatsApp, my WhatsApp status. That's when I come across it. What are we saying? Let's be sincere. So my people, And that one say my console now. We will take the things. It will not be everything. Not be say we will just see all those miliki, all those erimama. I put out like that. All those erimama, those miliki, all those nene. We just say na they we just carry them. No. If we see something like this, we'll share around. We will share around. We will share around. We are not going to live forever. You understand? He talk am, he say, I am going to prepare a place for you. It's written in the book of John. He say, I'm going to prepare a place for you, and I will come to take you home as well. So, what are we saying? Are we saying he's not going to come again? Are we saying the people is talking about, the people that talk about it, they saw it, are they lying? Let's be sincere. I leave you with this question. Where are we going to? See you guys, and I still remain your one and holy Katarina, golden baby. Stay tuned till I come your way again. Today, Enoch, I asked you again, what are you waiting for? Go and share it, and people will start. When you know, say if you carry something, people will want me they carry on. Today does not post am, oh, today no don't post am. Everybody go want me they carry on. So when we want go interview that omomo, they want me they go interview and know the really part of it, how it take happen, how it take come, how come about. You understand? But as you not post am so, nothing like that. So see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned till I come your way. Remain blessed. I love you guys.